Okay, today I'll be making marble squares. First step is, of course, I preheated the oven to 350, and then you come over here, and I've already done this. You melt 2 cups of margarine, and then, 2 sticks of margarine. And then, second, you'll put in 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 2/3 of regular sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, okay, my last step was a teaspoon of vanilla, and now I'm going to do a teaspoon of baking soda, and then a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to be putting in 2 eggs. And last I'm going to put in my flour. Okay, so I actually was supposed to put in a half a teaspoon of salt, my bad. And then prior to putting in the flour, you have to mix all the other ingredients. Okay, so now that I've mixed all the other ingredients, I'm going to put 2 cups and 4 tablespoons of flour. Okay, so before you turn on the blender, you want to mix it just to get it so that the flour doesn't spray everywhere.
Actually, it looks good. Well.
Okay, so after you've done the mixture, what I'm gonna do, and if you have siblings, give them to your little brother. Okay, then when you're done, you're gonna come over to this pan. Make sure you've greased the pan before you do this, and you're gonna pour in the dough into the pan. Okay, so now that I'm done with the mixing it in a bowl and pouring it in here, you're going to spread the dough lightly across the pan.
I'm still looking.
Okay, so now that I've finished spreading it out, we're going to take how many chocolate chips it takes to spread over the pan, and we are going to gently spread them across the dough. Okay, so now that I've spread them across the pan, I'm going to put them in the oven for about 5 minutes.
No wonder all the
Okay, so now that they're done baking for 5 minutes, which will soften the chips, I'm going to open the oven and pull the tray out about halfway. Thank you, so I can do this. Okay, so now I'm going to marbleize the chocolate chips. So I'm going to go down, back up, and down,
Is he even
and
zigzag?
back up. And repeat the process over and over. Down, back up. So just repeat the process. I'm not done. Just make sure that all the marble squares get melted in. That forms kind of like a wavy thing. Okay, so now that the marbleizing is done, we're going to finish the baking of like 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown.
There we go.
Okay, so it sounds like they're done. So, get your gloves on. Open it up. And this is what the finished product is that you guys will get to enjoy tomorrow.